What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a throwback video of when I went to Detroit and I visited the one and only Motown, USA. That is right, Hitsville, USA, and I was floored. It was just so nice to be there. And yeah, we're gonna get into it a little bit. There's not too many videos, but I took a lot of pictures. But yeah, this is just me strolling down in a little bit of a little mini blizzard. Yo, these winds was not even playing. Like, it was terrible. If you are ever in Detroit, I highly recommend you stopping by and actually visiting this place. All right, let's get into some fun facts. So Motown was the most successful soul music label with a net worth of $61 million during the 1960s. Motown achieved 79 records in the top 10 of the Billboard's Hot 100s between the 1960s and the 1969. It was founded January 12, 1959 by no other than Berry Gordy Jr. And of course, being able to have artists under him like Diana Ross, The Supremes, Marvin Gaye, Michael Jackson, then you have the Miracles. You have so many talented people that came from this one small building. And of course, I can't forget about the Temptations. I don't know what I was thinking. Last but not least, here goes the recording studio that I was in. And if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.